In digestive system, next type of gland, liver. Liver is the largest gland in our body. It weighs about 1.5 to 2 kgs. Liver formed of two lobes. These are right hepatic lobe and left hepatic lobe. Here, right hepatic lobe connected with right hepatic duct and left hepatic lobe connected with left hepatic duct. Right hepatic duct and left hepatic duct arise from gallbladder through the cystic duct. In the liver, left hepatic duct and right hepatic duct carry a bile juice. Here, gallbladder store the bile juice temporarily. When gallbladder start contraction, during contraction, bile juice enter into the duodenum through the hepatopancreatic duct. Here we can see hepatic lobule internal structure. Hepatic lobules are structural and functional unit of liver. In hepatic lobule, middle part called as central vein. Central vein is surrounded by hepatic cords, hepatic veins and hepatic artery. In the hepatic cords, there is a sequence of hepatocyte cells. Hepatocyte cells involved in secretion of bile juice. Here, vein and artery carry blood to the hepatocyte cells. Liver secrete bile juice. Now we are discussing about functions of liver. Liver functions. Liver secrete bile juice. It does not contain enzymes. It contains sodium, potassium, and bile pigments. Here, bile pigments such as bilirubin and biliverdin. Liver involved in carbohydrate metabolism. Carbohydrate metabolism such as glycogenesis, glyconeogenesis. It is also involved in lipid metabolism. It means it synthesis cholesterol and involved in formation of triglycerides. Liver synthesis plasma proteins. Such as albumin and globulin. It involved in formation of coagulate factors like fibrinogen and prothrombin. It is also to form heparin. Heparin is a anticoagulant substances. Liver involved in deamination process. Deamination. During deamination, proteins converted into urea through the ornithine cycle. With help of Cori cycle, lactose converted into glycogen. In our body, lactose releases during anaerobic respiration. Here, lactose converted into glycogen through the Cori cycle. These are the functions of liver. Liver also involved in thermoregulation. It means it able to regulate the temperature in our body. Next type of function, it acts as hemopoietic organ. Hemopoietic organ in fetus. It means blood cells found from liver in the fetus, and it is also act as erythroclastic organ. Erythroclastic organ in adults. Erythroclastic means it is the process of destruction of blood cells in liver. This is the information about liver and its functions.